So guys, welcome again to Smart Money Hustle, and as you can see in front of you, you can see that I'm off the wait list. So you remember the site that I shared with you some few days ago? Actually, my most recent video, I shared a site by the name Luel, and I did an application with you, and now you can see they have removed me from the wait list, and now they are telling me my account is now active and I can start earning immediately. Okay, so guys, if you did the steps that I did, I know you have gotten a message like this one. So if you have gotten an email like this one, now we proceed to the next steps. Now we open the account. Okay, so you're going to click over here, get started now, if you have any challenge. And for me, you can see I already have the account, but for you, if you haven't gotten it, they're going to send you another email like this one. Okay, once you click get started, they're going to send you another email like this one, and then you're going to sign in to Luel. Now when you click sign in, you will see that it's going to tell you to put now your email, and then you're going to go inside the site. Okay, so this is how the site looks like, guys. Okay, so this is how you're going to do. You're going to find a task in this site because they have the tasks that they have listed. Okay, once you find a task that you believe you can be able to do, you do it. Okay, and then you submit that task and you follow the instructions that have been given carefully. Once you have done that, you're going to be paid. So I told you in the last video there are different methods of payment that they are using. One of them is Venmo, the other one is PayPal, Wise, and also bank transfer. I'm going to show you those payment methods in a few minutes. Okay, so here is where your total earnings are going to appear. For me, I haven't done any project. It has been just approved today, so I haven't submitted anything, but your submissions are going to appear over here, and then you can see your approval rate is going also to appear over here. Okay, once you have understand that part, you now come over here, you browse the tasks. If there's any task that really amazed me is this one, because this one anybody can do it. Okay, so if you just click over here, let me just open it. Okay, if I just scroll over here, you can see these are some of the tasks that you can do. Okay, like cooking and food preparation, like chopping vegetables, stirring pots. Okay, crafting and building, repair and maintenance, gardening, playing instruments, art and drawing. I think, guys, you can do these tasks. They are very easy. Okay, so you can see now in the requirements how you are supposed to put the camera. You come over here, you see the tips for best results. I think this one anybody can do it, right? This one. So this one you can do it even if you are from Kenya or any other country. This one they require you to do what? Computer workflow screen recording. If you know how to do this, then come and click over here and see the instructions. You just click over there, you pass through these instructions and you do whatever they have told you to do. And then once you are done, it is like creating a video. Then you come and submit the content over here. You just follow these steps that have been given over here, and then once you are done, you submit the content, and then you wait for them to approve. Once they approved, you are going to be paid. So you can see like this one is paying $4.20 per hour. Let me just scroll down again. So for those people who know Spanish, you can try this one, and you are told to record with a partner. Okay, Egocentric video recordings. Now I'm not going to spend a lot of time over here, guys, but you can see the projects now are here. So this one doesn't require you to upload a CV or maybe an application letter or anything. Okay, this ones you just come over here, click, and then you follow the steps that have been given. Once you are done, like recording a video, you come and submit it, and then you wait for them to approve. Once they approve, you're going to get paid. Okay, something else that I want to tell you, you can see like some are like limited by location. Okay, for those people who don't know Spanish, you come and look at other jobs that you think, or other projects that you think you can be able to do. Okay, Indians, you can try this one. Let me just scroll down. Germans, you can try this. They can try that one. Just scroll. Now you can see there are those projects that are already closed and people have already completed them, so you cannot come and do them again. Okay, now up to that point, I hope, guys, we are together. And by the way, guys, I don't want you to miss these videos, because some people are asking me how they are going to do, what they are going to do to get the sites, but when I share the videos, I don't know if they do apply. So once I share a site, go try applying. Okay, go do your application very well, do your best. It only takes you some few minutes and then you'll be good to go. Okay, and then you wait and see if they are going to approve you. So let me go to earnings. So for earnings, I want to show you where the money is going to appear. So you can see first of all you're supposed to set up your payment method. Okay, so where will you get paid? So you'll just come over here, you click over here, set up payments, or you can come over here to settings. I just want to make this clear. You can come over here to settings, and then you click over here, set up payment method. Now you can see the payment methods are already listed over here. Okay, so there's Venmo, there's Wise, there's Stripe. So for Stripe, you're not supposed to create a Stripe account. I understand that some people from some countries cannot be able to create a Stripe account. Here you just connect your bank account and also your, what do we call it, your routing number. So if you want to use this one, you can just click over here, add your name, and then you follow the steps that are given. If you want to use Wise, then you come over here, you fill everything over here, okay, and then you continue. For Venmo, for those countries that allow Venmo, you just come over here, fill everything, and then you continue. So those are methods of payment in this site. Are you together? Let me just click over here, cancel, because I'm going to do a lot of things. Now for profile, you can just click over here. If you want to upload anything in your profile, you just come over here and then you upload your clip. Okay, please subscribe so that whenever I upload a site like this one was like a new site. So for those who applied, I know they have the message of being removed from the waitlist. So guys, I'm going to share another site anytime soon. Be on the lookout. For those who are new to this channel, I know you're missing a lot and I don't want you to continue missing a lot. So you just subscribe. That's the only way that you can pay me. So you just subscribe, you just hit the notification bell so that whenever I share jobs like these ones, you'll be among the first to apply and the first ones to be removed from the wait list. So please subscribe, please hit the notification bell, and then we are going to be good to go. For the subscribers, please let us engage, let us create an audience. If you have any challenge, let us talk in the comment section.